she got away from you. Here she comes. Flop backwards. There you go. Oh, you still didn't get her. That is so sweet. Play with her, Felixa. She wants to play. There you go. It's starting to happen. Oh, Wednesday, that's cute. I will entice you if it takes every trick I haven't. Look how cute I am. Oh. Isn't he pretty, Mr. Max? Is that your signature move there, Wednesday? Huh? Is that your signature move?